See, this is a sum from CAT 2022, and it is based on ranking and ordering. Okay, it is based on ranking and ordering. So all the first year students in the computer science department in a university take both the courses AI and ML. Okay, so the courses, there are two courses, AI and ML. So computer science students have the right to take both the courses AI and ML. Students from other departments, non-CS students, can also take one of these two courses, okay, but not both. Students from other departments, non-CS, can also take one of these two courses but not both. Okay, students from other departments, that is non-CS, can also take one of these two courses but not both. So you see, CS department people can take both the courses, but non-CS department people can take any of the two courses. So students who fall in a course fail in a course get an F grade. Okay, students who fail get an F grade. Others pass and are awarded A or B or C grades depending on their performance. Okay, and others pass and are awarded A or B
আচ্ছা
or C
স্যার,
grades. হ্যাঁ বলো।
বলছি সিএস এর যারা স্টুডেন্ট তাদের কি দুটো নিতেই হবে নাকি অপশনও আছে তাদের কাছে?
No,
কারণ কি
CS students
ক্যান
have
তো
to take
বলেনি,
both.
বলেছে টেক।
See, CS
হ্যাঁ,
students
হ্যাভ
have to
টু
take
না?
both.
ঠিক আছে, ঠিক আছে, ওকে।
Okay, can you see my screen?
Yes, sir.
Okay, okay.
ইয়েস স্যার।
And are awarded A or B or C grades depending on their performance. Okay, the following are some additional facts about the number of students who took these two courses this year and the grades they obtained. Okay, so the following are some additional facts about the number of students who took these two courses this year and the grades they obtained. The number of non-CS students who took AI and ML were in the ratio 2:5. Fine. So as I told you, what is the best way to do any LR sum? Ananya kaka, bolo na je the best way to do an LR sum is to leave the sum. No. What is the best way? Kaka Ananya আছে?
হ্যাঁ স্যার, স্যার ওই সার্কেল ওয়েতে
Circle way তে
মানে এটা কি বলে আমি ভুলে গেছি।
what is ভাবনা today? Tabular method. Okay, tabular method. Okay, the best way to do it in tabular form. Okay, so we will make a table. Okay, CS, non-CS, AIML, AIML. Okay, A, B, C and F. A, B, C and F. Okay. Okay, these are the grades. A, B, C and F is the grade, and here we have a total. Here we are going to do the total. Okay, so this is what we this is the table that we have currently. It is given all the first year students in the computer science department in a university take both the courses AI and ML. Students from other departments, that is non-CS, can also take one of these two courses. Okay, students who now let us come to information number 1. The number of non-CS students who took AI and ML were in the ratio 2:5. The number of non-CS students who took AI and ML okay, the number of non-CS students who took AI and ML are in the ratio 2:5. So non-CS is this, AI is this, so that means 2x and 5x, right? Since they are in ratio, so I am taking 2x and 5x. Is that all right, this particular information?
Yes, sir.
Okay, the number of non-CS students who took AI and ML were in the ratio 2:5. So 2x and 5x. Achha. The number of non-CS students who took either AI or ML was equal to the number of CS students. Okay, the number of non-CS students who took non-CS, the number of non-CS students who took AI, either AI or ML, was equal to the number of CS students. What does that mean? What is the total number of students who took AI and ML? That is 7x, because it is given the number of non-CS students who took either AI or ML. So if we add them, it becomes 7x. Okay, was equal to the number of CS students. So that means what? 7x, 7x. Okay, so the number of non-CS students who took AI and ML were in the ratio 2:5. So that means 2x and 5x. Okay, and that is equals to the total number of CS students who took AI and ML. That is 7x, 7x. Okay, that is what this information 2 means. Now see the number of non-CS students who failed in the two courses, okay, were the same. So that means, say if this is A, this is also A, right? That is what this information says. The number of non-CS students who failed in the two courses, what are the two courses, A and ML, were the same, right? So that means A and A, and their total, and their total. So total means A plus A is 2A, is equal to the number of CS students, okay, and their total is equal to the number of CS students who got a C grade in ML. Okay, and their total is equal to the number of CS students who got a C grade in ML. So if I add both of them, A plus A is 2A, CS student, so come to CS student. So first of all add these two, that is A plus A is 2A. Now come to CS students who got C grade in ML. C grade in ML, that is 2A. Okay, understood till here? Did you understand till here? The number of non-CS students who failed in the two courses were the same. So non-CA students failed in the 2 courses. Getting F is failing. But the same. So I took A and A. And their total. So total means A plus A is 2A. Is equal to the number of CA students who got a C grade in ML. Okay. So 2A. Okay. Who got C grade in ML. Done. In both the courses, 50% of the students who passed got a B grade. Okay. But while the number of students who got A and C grades were the same for AI, they were in the ratio 3:2 for ML. Now see, it is given in both the courses. So it's talking about total number of students. Now we don't know total number of students. So we will skip option number 4 for now. Okay. Why? Because option number 4 talks about the 2 courses, AI and ML together. It doesn't talk anything about the CS and the non-CS. So we will not touch that now. Okay. Now, no CS student failed in AI. Very nice. So this is CS and this AI. No CS student failed in AI. While no non-CS student got an A grade in AI. Non-CS student A grade in AI. Okay. No CS student failed in AI. While no non-CS student got an A grade in AI. Okay. The number of CS students who got A, B and C. Okay. The number of CS students okay, the number of CS students who got A, B and C grades respectively in AI are in the ratio 3:2 to 5:2. See this particular information, information number 6. Note this very carefully. The number of CS students who got A, B and C grades respectively in AI are in the ratio 3:5:2. So 3, let me name it as Y, 5Y, 2Y. Tell me, have you understood till here? Bhavna, I am recording this.
Yes,
Okay,
yes, sir.
I am recording this, so don't worry. I'll share it. Ananya Kaka,
হ্যাঁ স্যার।
রিতমা তুমি কিছু বোঝনি আমি জানি,
কেন স্যার?
বুঝেছো? তুমি বোধহয় কেক বানাচ্ছো একাতে,
না স্যার।
বুঝতে পেরেছো?
হ্যাঁ স্যার।
The number of CA students who got A, B and C grades respectively in AI were in the ratio 3:5:2. So 3Y, 5Y, 2Y. I didn't take X because X has already been taken. While in ML, it is 4:5:2. So let me take Z. So 4Z, 5Z and 2Z. Now see, it is already given 2A and 2Z, right? So 2Z equals to 2A. Both of these gets cancelled out. Z is equals to A. Okay. So 2Z is equals to 2A. 2 gets cancelled out. Z is equals to A. If Z is equals to A, then we can write down these things as 4A, 5A,
Yes sir.
and 2A. Understood, guys? Pakshit, Ananya.
Yes,
হ্যাঁ
sir.
স্যার।
Now, the ratio of the total number of non-CS students, non-CS, the ratio of the total number of non-CS students failing in one of the 2 courses to the
सर
number. हाँ बोलो. Yes, tell me, Dipakshi. Oh,
सर मैं भावना बोल रही हूँ।
हाँ बोलो भावना.
सर ये लास्ट में जो नॉन सीएस है इसमें एआई में डी में ए और एमएल में ए क्यों है?
हाँ देखो, इस ये इंफॉर्मेशन जस्ट हम लोग कवर किए हैं. इंफॉर्मेशन नंबर 3. ओके, तो इंफॉर्मेशन नंबर 3 में देखो, द नंबर ऑफ नॉन सी एस स्टूडेंट्स हु फेल्ड इन द 2 कोर्सेज. नंबर ऑफ नॉन सी एस में आओ. फेल्ड इन द 2 कोर्सेज मतलब जिसको एफ मिला है वो फेल किया है. ओके, पीपल हु फेल आर गेटिंग एफ. Okay, the number of
ओके सर।
non-CS students who failed in the 2 courses were the same and their total is equal to the number of CA students who got a C grade in ML. Okay, so the number of non-CA students who failed in the two courses. So AIML, okay, and fail means F, they are equal, it is given A. और क्या बोला है देखो, and their total मतलब A plus A is 2A, and their total is equal to the number of CA students who get a C grade in ML. So CA student, C grade, ML, that is 2A. Understood? Yeah, very good.
Yes, sir.
Let me bring water. Okay, अच्छा, the number of CA students who got A, B and C grades respectively. अच्छा, उसके बाद देखो क्या बोल रहा है. So you understood Bhavna why these two A's are coming up?
Yes, sir.
Okay, now you see information number 7, the ratio of the total number of non-CA students failing in one of the two courses, okay, failing in one of the two courses to the number of CA students failing in one of the two courses is 3:1. Okay, but we don't know what is this space, we don't know that, so we cannot use this information right now. Let us come to another information. 30 students failed in ML. So good. In ML it is given 30 students failed. Remember, only in ML 30 students failed. Now see how many students failed in ML. A number of students failed in ML in non-CS. What is the total number of students failed in ML? 30. So that means how many CS students failed in ML? 30 minus A. Did you understand? Did you understand, guys? Tell me.
Yes, sir.
Ritama kaka? चले गए नाकि?
सर एक बार फिर से एक्सप्लेन कीजिए.
हाँ, कौन सा बोलो? नंबर 8. हाँ, देखो नंबर 8 क्या बोल रहा है? 30 स्टूडेंट्स फेल्ड इन ML. 30 स्टूडेंट्स फेल्ड इन ML. तो देखो ML का कॉलम ये दो है, ठीक है. इसमें देखो
हाँ
ये
हाँ
क्या,
सर
समझ गया ना? ये ऑलरेडी मैंने लिया है, तो 30 ये वाला क्या होगा? 30 माइनस से होगा,
हाँ 30 माइनस ए हो जाएगा.
राइट? ओके. Now you see, now we will come back to information number 7. Information number 7 says the ratio of the total number of non-CA students, failing in one of the two courses. Okay, the ratio of the total number of non-CA students failing in one of the two courses. Okay, so that means for 2A, because these are the people failing in non-CS, A plus A, 2A, to the two courses, one of the two courses, to the number of CA students failing in one of the two courses. So number of CA students failing in one of the two, that is 30 minus A, okay, that is equals to 3/1. এই যে a প্লাস a টোটাল দেখো কি বলছে, the ratio of the total number of non CA students failing in one of the two courses, টোটাল বলেছে তো, তাহলে টোটাল নাম্বার কত, a প্লাস a করলে কি হয় 2 তো, ডিভাইডেড বাই 0 প্লাস 30 মাইনাস a করে কি হয় 30 মাইনাস a, তো দ্যাট ইজ 3:1, ক্রস মাল্টিপ্লাই করছি।
হ্যাঁ হ্যাঁ ঠিক
18, so good, so we have got 18 we have got, so we have got this entire line, है कि नहीं? So now what we are going to do, we are going to just replace these values with whatever we have got. So 4a is 72, 5a is 90, 2a is 36, and 30 minus 18 is 12. Yeah. Right? Now from this we can even get 7. What is 7x, right? We can add all of them. Let's quickly add. Yeah. হ্যাঁ রিতমা, তুমি বেরিয়ে গেছো। এই রে, যা যা, চলে এসো নাকি? ঠিক আছে রেকর্ডিং তো চলছে, ঠিক আছে। Okay, now let us add all these numbers. $30, right? So that means is going to be 210, 210, 60, and 150. Did you understand? Did you understand, guys, what just happened?
হ্যাঁ স্যার
भावना दीपाक्षी,
Sir, once again repeat.
हाँ देखो, यहाँ पर पहले क्या था, 7x था, but now we know each
हाँ
of the
sir.
values in this boxes, 72, 90, 36, 12. If I add all of this, that will be equals to 7x. यहाँ पर जो मैंने किया, so 210 equals to 7x, so x equals to 30, right? So when x equals to 30, इसका मतलब क्या, ये 210 हुआ, यहाँ पर भी 7x था तो ये भी 210 हुआ, यहाँ पर था 2x तो ये हो गया 60, यहाँ पर था 5, तुम्हारा क्या था 5x, तो ये हो गया 5 into 30, 150.
Okay, sir.
Now you add all of them and get the value of y. 5 plus 3 is 8, 8 plus 2 is 10, 21, right? When we have 21, we can get each of these values. 3y, समझ में आ रहा है ना? We can get 3y, we can get 5y, we can get 2y. 3y is 63. Right, you can add and you can see that all of them is equals to 210. Okay, so we have got quite a good number of values, right? We have got quite a good number of values. We need to get a, oh okay, okay, z is equals to a hai, right? Z is equals to a hai और a is equals to 18. Fine, so that means these values are 18. जहाँ जहाँ पर a है वहाँ पर 18 हो गया, right? These are the 18 values. Okay, we have got all the values, we just need these values. Just 1 2 3 4 5 values चाहिए, हम लोग का काम खत्म. So let us traverse the let us traverse the information that we have left. Let us go back to question number 4, instruction number 4. Instruction number 4 says in both the courses 50% of the students who passed got a B grade. ठीक है, तो in both the courses 50% of the students who passed, तो इसका मतलब let us see that how many students, अच्छा इसका मतलब समझे, in both the courses okay, so in both the courses 50% of the students who passed got a B grade. Okay, but while the number of students who got A and C grades were the same for AI, see the number of students who got A and C grades, the number of students who got A and C grades were same for AI. So you see ये वाला जो information है, this is quite helpful information, okay, this one. But while the number of students who got A and C grades were the same for AI, okay, so A and C grades, okay, but while the number of students who got A and C grades were same for AI, मतलब क्या, this plus this should be equals to this plus this. So can you tell me what will be this value? ये information बोला है ना, while the number of students who got A and C grades were the same for AI, so that means 60, this 63 plus 0 is equals to 42 plus whatever this is there. So what is going to be this box, can you tell me?
Sir, 21.
Right. 21, because 63 plus 0 is 63, 42 plus 21 is 63. Excellent. Now can you tell me what is going to be this value? Tell me.
Sir, 39.
And how did you do that?
Sir, 21 plus 18 plus 0, all 60 से minus
हाँ, so
कर
39
दिया.
तो 21 प्लस 18 करने से 39 होता है.
Oh, sir.
60 से माइनस
60
कर.
से minus. Sir, 21.
21. Okay, so good. Now we are just left with 3 values. Let us take this information. For while the number of students who got A and C grades were the same for AI, they were in the ratio 3:2 for ML. 3:2 for ML. So समझो ये A है, ये B है, right? Okay. So if I solve it, ठीक है, ये एक इंफॉर्मेशन, मतलब इक्वेशन मुझे मिल रहा है, टेकिंग ए एंड बी, और इसको हम लोग सी ले लेते हैं. ओके, अभी इसके ऊपर हम लोग काम करेंगे. आवर टारगेट इज टू जस्ट फाइंड आउट एसीबी, दैट्स इट. Let us come to this information then. Let us come to this information. In both the courses, 50% of the students who passed got B grade. ठीक है, both the courses में 50% of the students who passed got a B grade. So AI और ML का टोटल नंबर ऑफ स्टूडेंट्स कितना पास किया निकालेंगे. नंबर ऑफ स्टूडेंट्स who passed in AI. Number of students who passed in AI. You see in this particular column, how many students passed in AI? 210. क्यों? क्योंकि 0 फेल है. So that means 210 students passed in AI. Plus in this column, how many students passed in AI? It is
60.
no, not 60. 18 people failed. Okay, 18 people actually failed. So I need to subtract that.
42.
42. 42. Okay. अभी इन लोगों का हाफ 50% है नंबर ऑफ स्टूडेंट्स हु गॉट बी ग्रेड. सो अच्छा, इसका तो काम मेरा हो गया है, तो मेरे को क्या ज़रूरत है इन्फॉर्मेशन. मैं देखो, मेरा तो सारा एआई का तो नंबर्स निकल गया. सो आई डोंट नीड टू डू एनीथिंग विद एआई. लेट मी डू विद एमएल. लेट मी डू विद मशीन लर्निंग. ओके, आई डोंट नीड दिस. सो आई नीड टू फाइंड आउट the same info. I need to apply the same information for ML. So number of students, so number of CS students, number of CS students who passed in ML 210 minus 12. Okay, what is coming? What is coming? Tell me. Tell me quickly. Minus টা
198.
Okay. So number of CA students who passed in ML is 198 because I subtracted 212 from 210. The number of non-CS students who passed, number of non-CS students who passed in ML is going to be about 150 minus 18. Tell me what is coming.
132.
132. Total number of people passed in ML, right? Okay. Now we will apply this information. 50% of the students, तो इसका 50% मतलब इसका half है number of people who got B grade. तो B कितना मिला है 90 plus C, right? 90 plus C. So 165 minus 90 is equals to C. Find out C.
$75.
75. ठीक है, सब मिल गया है. अच्छा, ओके. मेरे पास अभी सिर्फ ए और बी का ज़रूरत है, सिर्फ ए और बी का ज़रूरत है. ठीक है, ओके. देखते हैं. तो और एक इन्फॉर्मेशन हम लोग छोड़े थे, दैट इज नंबर 7. इन्फॉर्मेशन नंबर 7 विल कम टू दिस. The ratio of the total number of non-CA students failing in one of the two courses to the number of non-CA students failing in one of the two courses is 3:1. The ratio of total number of non-CA students failing, अच्छा ये तो हो गया था ना. Oh yeah, this was done. Okay, this was done. So we need A and C. Fine. If I add all of them, A plus 75 plus B plus 18 equals to 150. 150 minus, ये करो please. Tell me what is A plus B.
57.
So we have an equation over here, we have an equation over here. Add both of this. B is 30. B is 30. What is
Yes,
A?
sir.
What is A? 27. कितना अच्छा से सारा वैल्यूज निकल गया. कोई आवाज़ नहीं किया, कुछ नहीं किया. पूछ कांच पूछ आवाज़ नहीं, एकदम साइलेंट. 27, 30. That's it. Now you please solve the questions. You have got everything. Now we will come to the questions. Please tell me, how many students took AI? What will be the answer for 1? How many students took AI? See the table, please find out. এতেও এত টাইম লাগছে? How many students took AI? You need to just see the table. See, 210.
60.
63.
Total number of students who took AI. Here
210.
210 and 60. Add them, you will get 270. Right? 210, 210 and 60. You get 270. Next one. How many CS students failed in ML? How many CS students failed in ML? 12. Right?
12.
Huh.
12.
How many non-CS students got A grade in ML? Non-CS students got A grade in ML. 27. Right?
27.
How many students got A grade in AI? How many students got A grade in AI? Total students. 63. Right? How many non-CS students got B grade in ML? 75. You understood?
75.
Okay. Any questions on this?
No, sir.